Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to John's Model Making. Today I'm going to start a new project, which is a Revell Junkers JU52 transport plane. Now I've had this since Christmas, something like that I think. Yep, so it's about time I got it started. What I do like about this, show you the cover on the box, there we go, how big it is, look at that. And that camouflage is going to be a bit of a challenge as well. So it's a 1/48 scale, level 5. There's 170 parts included. You get 4 airmen and there's 2 paint options. Now what I do also like about the level 5 is the instruction manual. It's quite colourful. This page is all about the tips and tricks. Show you on another camera. There we go. It's all about the tips and the tricks that you can follow and carry out. They are included in the instruction manual, so you just have to refer back. And here we have some more instructions. Repeat on the opposite side, how many times, how many steps there are, how to start with, well, start with step 1 obviously, drilling, cutting, left, right, painting, and how long you should leave it to dry. And here we have a few more tips and tricks. And then we have the paint guide. Now I do have all the paints, obviously because of lockdown I had to wait before I could actually get the correct paints. And would you believe it, Hobbycraft have put the prices up. But I managed to get them at the old price because they haven't labelled it up correctly. Yeah, you always got to watch out for them. And there's some more paints. There are quite a lot of paints involved in this. And then we have the sprues, the components on the sprues, all labelled and numbered correctly. Well, hopefully anyway. And a second page with more sprues and more parts, the fuselage, wings. And then we get on to the instructions. So straight away we're doing a bit of drilling. You don't have to use an actual drill, but just make some holes. Whatever's easiest for you. And then we start off with the cockpit. And as we see, here all gluing, timing, painting, gluing again. I can't remember all the tips and tricks, but you just have to refer back to the instruction manual whenever you come across one. Even taping the fuselage together, here we go, and there, bit more drilling again. These instructions are really clear, and I like how they add the colour to it as well. And here we have the airmen. We get 4 of them. So I think it's pilot, autopilot, navigator and gunner, maybe. And at the back we have the paint options and where to put the decals. This is the one I'll be going for, with that underbelly or undercarriage. That is the basic one. So basically it's the basic one I did with a bit of camouflage. So that looks great to me. Can't wait to get started. Hopefully that will be what mine looks like. Hopefully anyway. You never know. There's an open door there, gunnery position, radios or antenna I should say. I think these are pitot tubes, these, to measure wind velocity. Tells them how fast the aircraft is going. And obviously 3 propellers, so that looks good. Really looking forward to it anyway. I hope you can follow me on this. I'm going to make some short videos once I've completed a stage. They're not going to be too long obviously because I don't want to overdo it on the length of the video, but this is something I've been looking forward to for a while. I've been doing quite a few part works, and I always said that once I got enough time I'll start another Revell aeroplane, which I do like because they're cost effective really as well. They don't cost a fortune, and the level 5 is usually the best one. It's more challenging one. So I'll be doing some airbrushing and some hand painting, and hopefully that'll. But anyway, enough of that. I've rattled on enough. I hope you enjoy this, and follow me as I go on. This is the cockpit area. See the fine detail there. The camera to focus in. There we go. Still quite a bit of paintwork needed in this area, but it has got some decals attached to it already, as you saw on the instrument panel, and you can see the seat belts. Beside this area here has to be painted, but I was getting a little bit carried away, so I thought I'd better record this before going any further, otherwise I'd be showing you a complete aircraft. But it's coming on really well. The detail is there. I'm pretty chuffed with that. This area here is just going to be mainly green. A few more seats to be fitted, and that will be it then. Okay. That is the progress up to now. I got up to about step 9. I do need some more painting, like I said, because obviously I've decided to start putting things in place, and then any minor detail I can do afterwards. The majority of this is the same colour as this green here, which is light olive, Revell number 45. So I'm not sure if I'm going to spray it or just hand brush it. The legs on these chairs are a different colour, as well as the seating as well, but the majority of it is olive. And like I say, we're up to completed up to step, well, we've gone beyond step 9 actually, but step 10. Step 10. Yeah, I've not completed step 10, but I've gone ahead and just done the seats. So that is that for now. I'll post another video when I've done a bit more progress, just to show you as it is as I get along with it. Anyway, thanks for watching.